Hi there, I'm just showing you a short video of a Volkswagen Transporter T6 2016 model. As you can see, I'm showing you the door hinge, which is the lower hinge, and it does have a limiter here, and these are known to break, and it's a common fault with VW transporters. I'll just go to the other side. And as you can see here, the limiter is broken off. I did take it into VW Volkswagen Van Centre in Manchester, and I was told something else has caused this. As you can see, it's broken there, and here the hinge opens up, catches the door wing, sorry, the near side wing. As you can see there, it's causing a damage to the wing, and I did get a member of staff there. His name was DANIELLE, so please avoid this person, and if you can just forward this video on, and you have every permission to use this video. Thank you.